Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change button color in MailerLite. This is a simple but essential skill if you want your email buttons to match your brand colors or stand out more in your campaigns. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to MailerLite.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your MailerLite dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and automation. Now that you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. From here, you need to find the specific campaign or email where you want to change the button color. Take a moment to browse through your list and locate the right one. Once you've found the campaign you want to edit, click on the Edit button next to it. This will open up the editor interface where you can make changes to your email's content and design. At the top of the screen, you'll see a button that says Design Email. Click on that to access the full email builder. Now be patient here because the page might take a moment to load, especially if your email has a lot of content or images. Sometimes it takes a bit longer depending on your internet connection, so just give it a few seconds to fully render. Once everything is loaded, you'll be able to see the entire layout of your email. Next, scroll through your email design until you find the button you want to change the color of. It might be a call to action button like Shop Now or Learn More. Click directly on that button to select it. When you do, you'll notice that the right side panel updates to show customization options specifically for that button. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Button Style. Under this section, click on Primary. This opens up the styling options for your button, including background color, text color, and border settings. Now look for the background color option. You'll see a color picker right underneath it. Click on that color picker to open the color selection tool. From here, you can either choose from a preset palette or enter a specific hex code if you have exact brand colors you need to match. Select the color you want for your button, and you'll see it update instantly in your email preview. And that's it. Your button color has been successfully changed. You can now continue editing other elements of your email or save your changes and move forward with your campaign. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.